Hello and welcome to JavaScript Evangelist. So, as you know, I've started a new series called Meteor plus React. So, in this series, we are creating a scores keeping app kind of for players. So, currently, this is how it looks. But at the end of the series, we are going to make it look like this. So, you add a player, you increase and decrease the score. You can delete the player as well. So in this video, specifically in today's video, we are going to clean up this code and learn much more. I would say learn a little bit more about this folder structure, which is over here. So let's go ahead and I'm going to just go to the client folder and clean up everything from here. So just to make it simple, and we'll be starting on our own. We don't want any bare bone or boilerplate code from Meteor. So this is that, and we have a server folder over here which basically runs the Meteor server in the background. uh, if you have seen my previous video about the installation and setup, you know that I'm just going to cut this server over here and clear this. So if you want to run the Meteor application, all you have to do is type Meteor. You can even type Meteor run. I'm just going to stick with Meteor, and it will automatically like read all your files, and like it will create a temporary folder over here, and it will serve you all those files inside the browser. Just wait for a moment. So you can see it started a MongoDB, it started a server.js. Now it's starting your app, which is inside client. All right, so it is hosted at 3000, and I'm just going to refresh. As you can see, it auto reloaded, and let's just go ahead to your folder structure. I'm going to add one more folder over here called public. So this public folder is specifically, we are going to use it for storing all our style sheet, images, or even if you want to add a new HTML page. So let's say I'm going to add info. Yeah. And I'll just say no, I don't want to add it to Git automatically. You don't have to add any HTML because Meteor is going to inject this HTML inside the body tag of its own template. So I'm just going to say testing info. All right, and let's just go here, refresh, and just go to this path called info.html, and that's it. You can see that it's visible. That means our 1 minute. That means our public folder is actually being read by Meteor. Also, I'm going to add one more folder over here called imports. So don't worry about what import is right now, but in short, import is going to hold all our React or maybe all the JavaScript files which are going to be reused, and we are going to lazy load them into our actual application. So just for instance, I'm just going to add a temporary file over here called app.js. We are going to use it later on, but for the moment, stick with me. I'm just going to say console.log app.js from import. Just add it over here, and please do let me know in the comments how I'm talking. Some people have complained that I talk too much, or maybe sometimes I go too fast. Let me know in the comments. So I'm just going to hit back and refresh. So as you can see, app.js from imports is there. So you might be wondering how it is possible. So by default, Meteor will load everything from this folder for you, and that's a really neat and helpful technique by Meteor. And so that's it. So we have created like we have an empty we have cleaned up the main.html. We have an empty public folder, an empty imports folder. We have some basic files over here. Don't worry about them much now, and make sure you keep watching my channel. Do subscribe to me, and yeah, we are going to soon reach over here. Also, there is one more thing. I forgot to like show you that. So if you look at the elements, and you can see there is so many JavaScript files in the script, and this is not good for production. So at the end of this series, I'm also going to show you how you can deploy this application or make this application a production ready application. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.